Motherboard on the table, the city where it starts. Intel CPU with a heartbeat, the engine of the parts. 2 sticks of Corsair memory, twins that move in sync. Lexar keeps the stories for sure. Kingspec travels light, I think.
Noctua standing ready, a guardian made of steel. RTX graphics waiting, the power you can feel.
A PSU that anchors
Steady through it all.
and here's the waiting case, a home for big and small.
Meet the parts, everything in view. Piece by piece it comes to life.
The build we had in mind,
Piece by piece it comes to life.
the build we had in mind.
Piece by piece.
Click, snap, tighten down every piece in place. Cables weaving through the frame, a quiet kind of grace. Cooler on the processor, standing tall and true. Memory sliding into slots, lining up into
SSD for stories, another build for speed. Graphics card takes center stage, ready to succeed. Power flows and steady, everything aligns.
piece by piece. It comes to life.
The build we had in mind. Piece by piece it comes to life.
The build we had in mind.
Awaken the machine, let the story shine. Awaken the machine, everything alive.
Power on, the lights awake, a glow across the room. Fans begin their gentle spin, cutting through the gloom.
Numbers rising on the screen, colors running free. Every test is singing now, a quiet victory. Frames are flying fast, racing through the night. Neon worlds unfolding, everything feels right. Circuits hum together, steady and serene. All the work behind us now.
We're living in the dream.
TimeSpy pushing limits, climbing every score. CyberPunk in neon storms, brighter than before.
Apex in full motions, smooth at every turn. Benchmarks keep on rising, giving what we earn.
Temperature stay steady, airflow running clean. Every part in harmony, a finely tuned machine. PugetBench for premiere, timelines running fast. After effects in motion, renders built to last.
Lightroom sorting shadows,
Colors sharp and true,
DaVinci resolving rhythm.
cutting cleanly through.
Creative loads are flowing,
Nothing slows the stream.
every test confirms it. This build is built to dream.
Piece by piece it comes to